Good afternoon, ma'am, and all my dear friends. I am Turrasu Tarakdar of class 8B. Today I am going to be talking about pressure belts. This is the diagram of the pressure belts over here. Here, this portion is called the doldrums. From here, 5 degree north to 5 degrees south, the temperature is high throughout the year. So the atmospheric pressure in the area is always low. The low pressure zone is called the equatorial low pressure belt. Sailors called it doldrums because of the lack of wind made sailing difficulty in this zone. Now I am going to be talking about polar highs. Polar highs are situated over here and here. Polar high pressure belts. The polar high regions are extremely cold. Throughout the year, in these regions the atmospheric pressure is always high. These regions are called polar high pressure belts. Thank you. Subtropical high pressure belts are located over here and here. The subtropical high pressure belts, the hot air rising over the equatorial belt moves towards the poles. By the time the air streams reach the latitudes around 30 degree, they become cool and heavy, and then they begin to sink. This creates the belts of high pressure in these two regions. The two high pressure regions are known as subtropical high pressure belts or horse latitudes. They are also called the belt of calm because the weather conditions in these regions are stable. The term horse latitudes is believed to have suggested by the Spanish sailors who used to transport horses to America and the West Indies on ships. The calm weather conditions around these latitudes in the Atlantic made it difficult to sail. Hence, the sailors were sometimes forced to throw the horses overboard to conserve drinking water. Now, I am going to be talking about the subpolar lows, which are situated here just beneath the polar highs and above the subtropical highs. The cold air from the polar regions are comparatively warm air from the subtropical regions meet near 60 degree latitudes in both the hemispheres. The larger mass of warm air rises, creating a strong upward current. The cold polar air gets filled up by the current. This creates the belt of low pressure belts called the subpolar low pressure belts in these regions. Thank you.